Oríṣiríṣi ìlú ṣé èdè kan ni gbogbo wọn sọ bàbá mi?
Sunday, widely known as Sunday Igboho, a prominent Yoruba nation agitator, has expressed concerns over the dwindling sense of national identity among many Nigerians. In a video shared online on Thursday, January 9th, Igboho, seen at an airport in the United Kingdom, attributed this loss of patriotism to issues such as corruption, insecurity, and economic hardship. He argued that if Nigeria cannot function as a united entity, the various ethnic groups comprising the nation should be allowed to pursue self-determination. Highlighting the aspirations of Yoruba youths, Igboho noted that their exposure to global knowledge and experiences positions them to transform the Yoruba nation into a modern, prosperous society akin to those in Europe. He stated,
You understand? Only drink and over anything, many things will sell in the airport. Gbogbo wọn náà sì wọ́n wà káàkiri ayé ọmọ Yorùbá pọ̀ káàkiri tí wọ́n ti rí a lot tí wọ́n ti learn a lot tí pé tí wọ́n bá padà sórí èdè wọn ó lè bíbi orílẹ̀-èdè wọn tó fọ́ máa dàbí ibi táwọn náà ń gbé tẹ́lẹ̀.
Mo rí pé a rí Canadian, Egyptian, India, oríṣiríṣi ìlú ṣé èdè kan ni gbogbo wọn sọ bàbá mi?
Ìyẹn papọ̀ jọra wọn rárá how many countries ló ń sọ English? Àlèkà bẹ́ẹ̀ ló pé 5. Kálukú ń sọ èdè tiẹ̀ tán fi ń tún wọn sí ẹ̀rọ àṣà owó ìjọba ìlú mú kí náà yẹn tó kórè yẹn.